All right, welcome back, everyone. Super exciting product for us today. This is a unreleased machine as of the time of making this video. We did have it at FabTech, but it was kind of low key. We had it off in a corner. But this is the new Lightning 212. So it is a Lightning, so it is a uh, high frequency, or it's a high voltage start AC DC TIG unit, full feature, MIG stick. And as you look at the machine, there's no wire cabinet, no wire cabinet. So you say, Jesse, how is it a MIG machine if there's no wire cabinet? Well, we've got our Euro Connect right on the front of it. This machine only takes a spool gun. So whether you're running hard wire like ER70, you're running stainless wire, you're running aluminum, this unit will only run a spool gun. So you will run, it'll come with the Parker DSP 240 as standard. So when you buy this unit, it'll come with foot pedal, TIG torch, and the spool gun. So the idea behind this machine was to make a full feature multi-process machine as small as we possibly could. And one early morning in the office when I was out in California, this is what we came up with. Literally, it was like a 1 hour long conversation. We drew this machine up, and here it is. So this unit, I said it's full feature AC/DC TIG, high voltage start, MIG, and stick. So let's go ahead, jump into it. It does have power set mode as well. Go ahead and turn that off for now. But the way you would select the process on this unit, you will hit process selection. You can then scroll through. So let's say we want to go to spool gun. We hit sub menu. That selects it. Now all of our available settings and adjustments, whether our wire type, our wire feed speed, wire diameter, our power set mode, it's all right there. Now, if we want to go back to, let's say we're going to go back to stick welding, process selection, we go to DC stick, sub menu. Now we're stick welding. Of course, we've got full adjustment, 185 amp stick welder. So we can go back to AC TIG. And again, it's full feature AC TIG. So we've got balance, frequency adjust. We aren't going to have waveforms. So that's the one thing with this unit. It is going to be similar to a 250EX as far as the range of adjustments and the features available for the TIG side, but it's going to be 200 amp output. So it's a Lightning 212. So, but super portable machine, super handy. This is kind of until we come out with the suitcase to run off an engine drive. This is kind of our answer to be even more mobile, so you can have everything all in one package. It's going to have the same style of save recall menu as the new Cyclone. So we'll press and hold. We go to save, hit power set. It'll unlock it. You select it. You can go through, type in your, let's see, we're just going to name a program. My name. Scroll through to save. And now we have a program named Jesse. We can go back, lock it again. So now that program cannot be overwritten. And when we want to select it, we just select it, boom, and we're back to those save settings. So it's going to have, if you're already used to running a Cyclone, it's going to have the same exact style of menu. All the features are going to be pretty much the same. It's just a little bit revised to do an LCD TIG menu that is separate from the Typhoon. So that's one thing we don't want people to get confused with this unit. Is it is not similar TIG wise to a Typhoon. It is more similar to a 250EX, just with less amperage. So even though it has an LCD, it's not like a Typhoon. But again, it's going to be, I think it's going to be a super helpful machine. We're not going to weld with it today, just give you guys a brief run through so we can kind of put this out so people can start looking at it. But as far as, you know, a guy that does a lot of mobile welding or does, you know, travels quite a bit between jobs, I think a unit like this is going to come in super handy because it's literally take 2 bottles with you, you know, TIG torch, stinger, and foot pedal. You'll have the spool gun with the machine. You can literally roll up on a job site and do anything with one machine and one machine only and you can carry it around by one hand. So yeah, Lightning 212. I think we should have this thing available for like Black Friday, Christmas specials is when we should be shipping them. So yeah, keep an eye out on it. If you have any other questions, feel free to reach out to us. I'm more than happy to talk to you about this thing, and we'll have some more full in-depth welding videos with it coming soon. So nice little new portable full feature multi-process machine, Lightning 212. Give it a shout.